Uy, baon. Ubus yung baon. Ah. Bola. Ayan.
Order number 7, next doubles into bracket 4, Ivan Marco versus Ivan Nick. Again, court number 7, next doubles level in 1, bracket 4, Ivan and Marco versus Ivan and Nick.
Nice one. Uy. Power.
On court number 3, next doubles level in 1, bracket 5. Cindy and Gerald versus Jeremy and Jonathan. Again, court number 3, next doubles, 11-1, bracket 5. Cindy and Gerald versus Jeremy and Jonathan.
Lumang na. Out. Out. All 7. Nice one. Abang. 7. Olay. Uy! Nice one. 9 all. Uy. Bang. 10-9. Out. Uy. Nakabalik.
Nakabalik.
Hanap na yung kanina. All one. Out. 2-1.
Oh, nabalik na naman.
Kabalik na naman.
JLC
Ay, pinatay niya. Buhay pa.
Correction for number 7. Men's doubles 71 round 4. Andre Kyle versus Ivan and me. Correction again for number 7. Men's doubles 11 round 4. Andre Kyle versus Ivan and me.
Aggressive. Nice one.
On board number 6, men's doubles 72 round 4, Justin and Enzo versus Allen and Patrick. Again, on board number 6, men's doubles 72 round 4, Justin and Enzo versus Allen and Patrick.
Ay, out
Naku, yun
na.
na. Oy, pareho shot.
Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one.
Yung anak mo, yung kasakasama mo, liit pa, ano? Galing na rin maglaro.
Ay, out. Ayaw. Out. Buti na lang. Ay.
Tara! Yeah! Lakad-lakad!
Nako.
Binigyan mo sa akin.
Nako.
Tay!
Makakabalik na naman. 92, 93. Out na. naman. Out. Nako.
Out na.
21-22.
May nasa.
Nakabalik. Sala naman.
On court number 1, men's doubles, 11-18, round 1. Last year, Jay, this is Dustin before. Again, on court number 1, men's doubles, 11-18, round 1. Last year, Jay, this is Dustin before.
Nice call. Hey! Lima na. Nabot 5. 3-2. Nice one.
Kasi mabigyan na, minsan na nabigyan ng mataas at pag pumalo puso.
Mm.
Ito si
Ah, nice match yan.
Out.
Buti na lang.
maganda yung tennis na naman.
Hmm.
Ilang talo mo yan sa 16?
Ano? 53 ba? 54.
Para sa magkaitara ng kalaki niya.
Out na naman.
Competitive sila.
Oo. Ay!
Ilang po wala. Kita mo yun.
Sakto sa raketa eh.
Nice one.
Ito pag binigyan sa kapag kita mo. Buka. Kahit ano sirap.
Oh! Out. Out. 7 warning, dalawa. Yun, last. 11, kaya na yan. Taas. Nice one.